My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Seat Leon. This vehicle has done just under 20,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control and voice control as features. On our screen, we can access media and navigation, traffic and sound, air conditioning and settings, images, media control, full link, and our vehicle settings. If we put it into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control, and if we press our mode button, we can switch between sport mode, individual, eco and normal. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.